It's time for the light round because money. That's right for our calls. When you say no stock, tell about buy, sell, so just because you're on the quarter stock questions at a time. I stand prepared to grab for supply. Let's wait a second. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Charlie in Rhode Island. Charlie.
Booyah, Mr. Cramer from Musqueam Beach, Rhode Island. First-time caller, long-time listener. Considering the budget bill, lower oil prices and tariffs, what do you recommend on COP ConocoPhillips?
It's actually, I think, the best of the lot these days. I just don't want to stick my head out and get it cut off at a time when I think that OPEC Plus is going to do another big slug of oil, making oil go through the 60 level. I need to go to Gary in Alabama. Gary.
Hey, Jim, thanks for taking the call. Look, I bought this stock back in December, and I bought it a little high, so I guess that's on me. But I want to know what you think about this. Should I buy more, hold, or sell Vertiv?
Which one? Oh, I like Vertiv. Now, it's bounced well off the bottom, but it's got Dave Cody as the chairman, and we have Mr. Albertazzi as the CEO. Here's what you need to know about this. This company has incredible demand, and therefore, it's just if I see that kind of demand and they have good gross margins, I want to own the stock. Let's go to Jason in Florida. Jason.
Booyah, Jimmy. How you doing?
I'm doing well, Jason. How about you?
Good. Hey, just a quick shout out to my girlfriend, Kelly, but I'm calling in regards to Medical Properties Trust, MPW. Looks like they're...
No, with too much risk. I don't want you and Kelly, the girlfriend. Kelly, the girlfriend. I don't want you and Kelly in there. Don't be fooled. Don't reach for yield. 7%. No. If you need yield, just go buy a realty income. Okay. Let's go to Bharat in Florida. Bharat.
Hi, Jim. How are you doing today?
I am doing well. How about you?
I'm fine. I'm 67 years old and retired. I'm a big fan of your show and always make sure to watch it daily.
Oh, thank you, man. Please keep watching. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay. I remember back in 2019 when you called Nucor a chicken cyclical. I was always wondering I should buy it at current level for my retired portfolio.
That one is Nucor. Nucor's a very tough. Let me just go over this for a second. Nucor sells at a price that looks very cheap, but if we have a recession, people keep dumping this stock. I want you to own this for the long term. I think it would be a terrific situation, but don't expect it to turn up anytime soon because so many people think we're going to recession. And thank you for the kind comments. I really appreciate it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, why are some retail names moving higher after earnings while others remain at a standstill? Cramer is revealing why the devil's in the details. Next.
Booyah, Jim. Your integrity makes you the booyah saint of Wall Street.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah, Jim.
Quadruple. That's a lot of booyahs.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.